Also, we have another train going the same direction here at Gorman. We just had a 6-engine train go by. Probably about maybe 5-10 minutes ago. And Papa, let me know when sinker heavy goes down, okay? Are they going off yet? Is he moving faster now? I think I hear his engine. Are they going off yet? Can you hear Daners there? I think they're going off. You think it is there? Passenger car train or no?
No. There you go.
Can you hear him?
Yeah.
The horn sounds funny, doesn't it? Papa. That's it? Was that one very puny?
Yeah.
Was he not even a medium?
Nope.
How many cars did he have?
6.
The light hasn't changed yet, Papa. He wasn't that long enough. But let's watch it change. Oh, but just now went red.
Yeah.
And that's it. After these cars go by. Okay, that's it. That's it.